Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video let's wash and polish my Thunderbird 350X. As I haven't washed my bike since many days, so the bike is fully covered with thick layer of dust. And one important thing is that Royal Enfield Thunderbird 350X doesn't get a metallic paint job, so it gets scratched very easily. As you can see, tank of my bike is fully covered with hairline scratches. Now let's wash the bike with clean cloths and water. I recommend you to use microfiber clothes. We have to see that each and every portion of the bike is fully cleaned and it should not have any dust in it. At first, I am going to use a normal polish. Now, let's rub the polish with hand, or you can also use a sponge or a dry cotton cloth. Let it dry in direct sunlight for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now we have to clean it with the help of clean cotton cloths. We have to rub it properly for better results. This is the main teflon polish of 3M company and it cost about rupees 600 after discounts. Now let's apply this polish on my bike with the help of sponge. After the polish is applied, we need to put the bike in direct sunlight for about 15 minutes. so that it gets dried up properly. We have to apply it in every corners of the bike. Now, when the polish is nicely dried up, we need to clean it properly with the help of clean clothes. We have to rub the whole bike. After when the polish is nicely dried up, we need to clean it properly with clean clothes. We have to rub the whole bike properly for better results. After all the hard work, this is the final results. As you can see, shining of the bike is on the next level. There are no such hairline scratches on the tank and as well as in the side panels. This 3M Teflon polish helps to prevent the hairline scratches, and it also protects the original paint of the bike. Thank you for watching the video. If you end up liking the video, then please subscribe to my channel